Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. And in today's video, I want to talk about a comment that I received on one of my social media platforms. And the comment was saying, what you and your mom are doing, going to thrift stores and buying books and selling them, you're taking away from the lower class. Now, I am literally quoting this exact comment. And it's interesting because when I put out like Instagram Reels or TikTok videos, I notice I get a lot of this same comment, right? People think that, you know, since my mom and I are going to a thrift store and buying 20 or 30 books, they think that we're taking away from, you know, the less fortunate or people who want to, you know, be able to get a good hard book in their hands at a discounted rate. You know, the comment was saying we're taking away from the lower class so they can't have access to books. And the truth is, you guys, when we go into the thrift store or you go into the thrift store looking for clothes or electronics or board games, or in this situation, I sell a lot of books and DVDs and items like that. We're only picking out, you know, sometimes you'll scan the books and you'll only get a 5% acceptance rate. Sometimes you'll get a 2%. Maybe if it's a great day, it's a little higher. But literally, we're leaving behind 90 to 99% of the inventory. Even more than that. I mean, there's got to be, what, 67,000 books at our local thrift store, at least where I am. Probably not that much. And we leave with 20 or 30 bucks. So it's just interesting how people have this, they kind of have this idea of what's ethical, what's not ethical. They feel that the thrift stores are, you know, like they're trying to do the community a favor. I don't know, maybe some of them are, but for the most part, you know, these thrift stores are trying to make money for their, you know, for their cause, which I guess is helping the community, but not all of them are, you know, 100% focused on the cause. You know, there's some thrift stores out there who are, you know, the CEOs are making $500,000, and, you know, maybe it's worth it for some of them because they're putting a lot of effort in or work, but, you know, that's besides the point. The point I'm trying to say right here is, don't feel bad about reselling. Don't feel bad about going to thrift stores. Don't feel bad about picking out, like yesterday I went to a library sale. I got 50 books. I crushed it yesterday at the library sale. Don't feel bad about this, because I'll tell you right now, there's freaking a million other products that people can get their hands on, okay? So I feel like some people are just haters. Some people just want to bring you down. Maybe they're jealous that you're able to find a way to make money without relying on a boss, without relying on a job, that you've taken your life into your own hands. Or maybe they just don't fully understand reselling. But if you ever have a family member or a friend or a idiotic comment, just ignore it, because it's a bunch of nonsense, all right? So with that being said, hopefully you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.